In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with Varo online in 2025. Whether you're looking to build your credit or you're eager to make online purchases easier, understanding the process of applying for a Varo credit card can help simplify things. Let's dive right in and take you through the step-by-step process. First, it's important to note that Varo doesn't offer an extensive range of credit card options. They currently provide only a secured credit card. Secured credit cards are unique because they require a security deposit that typically matches your credit limit. This security deposit reduces the risk for the bank, making secured cards an excellent option for someone looking to build or repair their credit. Before you can apply for Varo's secured credit card, you must begin by creating an account with Varo. If you don't already have one, go to the Varo website or download the mobile app and you'll find the option to create a new account. Be prepared to provide your personal information, including your full name, address, and social security number as part of the account setup process. Ensure your information is accurate, as this will help prevent any hiccups during the application process. After opening your account, it's important to follow Varo's application process for a secured credit card. This involves logging into your account on the Varo platform and navigating to the credit card section. Keep in mind that before you can apply for the secured card, your Varo account needs to be in good standing, which generally means having a positive balance and handling any previous transactions or responsibilities efficiently. Once your account meets the conditions of good standing, you'll be poised to apply for the secured credit card. This step involves submitting your request through Varo's application interface and agreeing to their terms and conditions. Remember, because this is a secured credit card, you'll need to be ready to provide the security deposit. The deposit amount is usually communicated during the application process. After you've submitted your application and made your deposit, you'll have to wait for approval. This can take some time, so patience is key. You'll receive communication from Varo regarding your application status. Moreover, if at any point you find yourself locked out of your account, or if you simply can't remember your login details, remember that Varo provides a quick solution. You can click on the Forgot Password option on their login page to initiate a password recovery process. By following the prompts, you'll regain access to your account safely. Keep these tips in mind as you navigate the process. Applying for a secured credit card with Varo is straightforward, provided you ensure your account is set up correctly and in good standing. With these steps, you'll soon be on your way to opening new financial opportunities with Varo.